Safety, you need it. In today's lesson, we're going to teach you about all the safety reasons and precautions you should take while you're in a lab. For starters, I'm going to let Zach tell you about goggles and loose clothing.
First of all, you should never have loose clothing in the lab because the chemicals could get on it and catch on fire, and then you'd probably be naked. Like scarves or baggy jeans or long sleeve shirts that are too long. Maybe even lab coats, I don't even know.
And the goggles would protect your eyes from the chemicals that could splash or the smells that could get in your eyes, causing them to hurt. Second of all, you don't want to have loose hair or open-toed shoes. The hair could get caught in anything. Could be set in chemicals, grinder for the chemicals to anything.
It also probably wouldn't feel that good either.
We're going to show you an experiment with baking soda.
In a little bit though.
Yeah, in a little bit. Baking soda, food coloring,
and vinegar.
and you should also wear gloves and have supervision while you're doing an experiment.
We don't have gloves right here.
Yeah, unfortunately, we don't have gloves today. So,
I think our experiment's ready.
yeah, so
Don't get me right. Come look up. I got it. I want to pull it up. Shut up.
Okay, because when I get the baking soda,
We have the baking soda right here.
okay.
This
Hold it.
is the experiment, and the baking soda should be dissolved by the vinegar. We need to put our goggles on too, so it'll be safe.
But I'm not.
That's why you're not in the experiment.
Pour the whole baking soda.
now this, don't pour it on. Now this is what it looks like
When it is dissolving.
when it is dissolving. The acid and the vinegar could burn your skin if there's enough on there. Okay.
Or if you have cuts in your
We're
skin.
going to give you an example of an experiment gone wrong.
You pour too much of it, and it can start to get overloaded, and then you try to smell it.
Now this is an example
But you
of an
don't smell it.
experiment gone wrong.
You don't
see-
ever want to pour the controlled variable into the experimental group.
You should always have supervision when you're doing something like this because you can easily mess up and harm yourself or others. Well,
That's it, guys.
that's about it, everybody.
Hope you learned something from us,
Y'all be safe.
me and Jacob.